Assalamu alaikum. Let's start new Oxford Modern English Book 3. I have completed reading and Urdu translation of this Unit 9, The Story of Silk. Now I am going to solve words meanings and question answers of this unit. Words meanings: work worn hands, मेहनत मुशक्कत करने वाले हाथ, roughened by hard work. Countryside, दही इलाके, रूरल एरिया. आर्टिफैक्ट्स, कदीम दौर की दिलचस्प चीज़ें, नवादरात. इंटरेस्टिंग ऑब्जेक्ट्स, वेस्टेज. बेयरिंग, चाल ढाल, अ पर्सनस वे ऑफ स्टैंडिंग और मूविंग. कोकून, रेशम के कीड़े का हॉल. अ सिल्की केस spun by insects such as caterpillars or silkworms. Confine, मुकीद, तंग, महदूद, kept to one area. Custom, रस्म रवाज, a habit or traditional way of behaving. Elaborate, मेहनत से बना हुआ, carefully made, with lots of fine detail. Emperor, शहंशाह, the ruler of an empire. Empress, Malka, Maharani, the wife of an emperor. Magnificent, Alishan, extremely beautiful, splendid, excellent. Amuse, Dil behlana, cause someone to find something funny, entertain. Manufacture, बनावट, make something on a large scale using machinery. अब हम सॉल्व करेंगे while reading वाले क्वेश्चन को. Why do you think the Chinese wanted to keep the knowledge of making silk a secret? आपके ख्याल में चाइनीज सिल्क बनाने का जो इल्म था, रेशम बनाने का इल्म, उसे राज में क्यों रखना चाहते थे? तो आइए इसका आंसर नोट करें. सिल्क वॉज द फाइनेस्ट क्लॉथ, सो it could be sold at a high price to other countries. If they began making their own silk, China would not be able to earn as much money from its sale. That is why the Chinese wanted to keep the knowledge of making silk a secret. अब हम सॉल्व करेंगे एक्सरसाइज ए का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. अगर आपने इस यूनिट की रीडिंग विद उर्दू ट्रांसलेशन वाली वीडियो को अच्छे तरीके से सुना और समझा है तो आप इन सवालों को अच्छी तरह समझ सकते हैं और उनका जवाब भी अच्छी तरह दे सकते हैं. आपसे एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप किसी भी यूनिट की एक्सरसाइज को सॉल्व करने से पहले उस यूनिट की उर्दू ट्रांसलेशन वाली वीडियो ज़रूर देखा करें. लेट्स स्टार्ट. वेयर वॉज सिल्क डिस्कवर्ड? इसका आंसर है सिल्क वॉज डिस्कवर्ड इन चाइना. क्वेश्चन बी. व्हाट डिड द गर्ल हु बिकेम एन एम्प्रेस डू टू फिल हर टाइम बिफोर शी गॉट मैरिड? आंसर. शी वर्क फ्रॉम dawn to night, surrounded by friends and family who exchanged news and gossip as they worked. Question C. Why was the Empress sad? She missed her busy life and the company of her family and friends. Question D. What did the Emperor do to make the Empress happy? Answer. The Emperor bought her grand clothes, jewels and artifacts, threw elaborate parties, hired the best musicians of the land to amuse her. Question E. Where was the Empress when she discovered silk and what was she doing? She was in her garden. When she discovered silk, she was sipping hot water at that time. Question F. What was the great idea that the Empress had? The Empress had the idea to use the threads from many silk cocoons to weave soft, strong cloth from them. Now these questions are more difficult. Discuss them first. Question G. How did the Empress who discovered silk know how to weave? Answer note करें. She belonged to the family of a weaver. That is why she knew how to weave. Question H. What were the differences between the Empress's life before and after she got married? Why did they make her sad? Answer. Before marriage, she spent a lot of time in open countryside. She was very busy. She was always surrounded by friends and family, talking and working all day long. After marriage, she was confined to the palace. She did not have anything to do and nobody to talk to. Such big changes in her life made her sad. अब हम करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. आंसर द क्वेश्चंस अबाउट दिस लाइन फ्रॉम द स्टोरी. ये लाइन स्टोरी में से ली गई है और इससे रिलेटेड ये क्वेश्चंस हैं जिनके हमने आंसर्स देने हैं. लाइन ये है, बट देन शी टुक अ क्लोजर लुक and she saw some threads peeping out from the cocoon. Question A है इस लाइन से मुतल्लिक. Who took a closer look? The Empress. Question B. Where was the cocoon? In the cup of hot water she had been drinking. Question C है. How was she feeling at this time? Sad. Question D. What did she do after this? She pulled out the thread and had a great idea to take the thread from many cocoons and weave soft, strong cloth from it. Question E. Why is this an important moment in the story? This is the moment when silk was discovered. अब हम करेंगे ये चैलेंज क्वेश्चन. Why do you think silk is such a special cloth? इसका आंसर नोट करें. It is soft, strong and bright, the best form of cloth. तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आप इसकी मज़ीद जो एक्सरसाइजेस हैं वो देखेंगे. थैंक यू. अल्लाह हाफिज़.